Welcome to DK Engineering and Technology. Happy May Day to everyone. DK Engineering and Technology is manufacturing world-class washing machine in Bangladesh. DK Engineering and Technology is only one's exporting machine in Europe. We are proud as a machine manufacturer company. Our products: front loading washing machine, washing and dyeing machine belly type, tilting system front loading dryer machine, front loading dryer machine, hydro extractor, deep dyeing machines, eco-friendly professional spray and chemical applications cabinet, curing oven, sample oven, 3D crinkle machine, horizontal hand scraping machine, a hot air sample dryer, mixture tank, and many more. If you have any requirement, please contact with our team. Thank you everyone to stay with us. Allah Hafiz.